Hi guys, today I'm just gonna show you quickly the video modes of the Nikon Keymission 170. Then you got shooting options. If you go to movie options, then you will be able to choose the speed. Now just go through from the beginning. I'll take you through from the beginning. So this is super high slow motion mode, which is as you can see, it's 720p and it's 8 times slow-mo. Then you got high speed again, slow motion, 184 times. That's about 120 frames per second. So that's quite good. I got samples to show you on that. And then you got the 1080 60p, so then 30 frames per second. Then you got, when you go up to 160 is your 4K mode. So that's the actual movie mode, and I usually have it on 1080 60p unless I want to do 120 frames per second type of slow-mo. I use the 1080, and if I really want to slow my footage down, then I'll use 720, so 8 times slow-mo.